Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be focusing on Number Sense, Book 6, page 34. I have broken up the following questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, over the next couple of slides. We'll use different examples and go over how best to answer these. So we have a look at the coins that we have. We've got a 5 Rand, 2 Rand, a 1 Rand, a 50 cents, a 20 cents, a 10 cents, and a 5 cents. If we add them all up, we get 8 Rand 85. But the question asks us how many cents. So we've got to convert it from rands to cents. And we get 885 cents. Next, we have the number lines. So if we have a look at the first number line, we have 7, 8, 9, blank, blank, 12, and a blank again. So if we were to fill those in, we would go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We will fill in 10, 11, and 13. Our next slide goes 2, 4, blank, 8, blank, 12, blank. When we fill it in, we will fill in 6, the 10, and the 14, so that it reads 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Our next number line goes 5, 10, space, 20, 25, space, space. When we fill it in, we will fill in the 15, the 30, and the 35, so that it reads 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And our last one goes blank, 2, blank, 4, 5, blank, blank. So when we fill in, we will fill in 1, 3, 6, and 7, so that our number line reads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright, so when we have a look at our pyramid, we have got 2 and 4 at the bottom, which gives us 6. Next, we have to ask ourselves, 6 plus what will give us 13? And 6 plus 7 will give us 13. Now that we've got the 7, we can work out the number at the bottom. Because 4 plus what will give us 7? 4 plus 3. This now helps us to work out the number next to number 7. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now that we've got the 7 and the 8, we can work out the number above. So 7 plus 8 will give us 15. Now that we got the 15, we say 13 plus 15 will give us 28. And that's how we work out our pyramid sum. Right, now we've got a different pyramid sum. This one, we will start off by working from the middle all the way up, and then we will work our way back down again. So we've got 12 plus 11 will give us 23. 23 plus what will give us 43. 23 plus 20. Now that we've got the 20, we look at the block below, and 12 plus what will give us 20. 12 plus 8. Then we've got the 6. So we say 6 plus what will give us 12. 6 plus 6 will give us 12. Then we say 6 plus what will give us 11. 6 plus 5 will give us 11. And lastly, 6 plus what will give us 8. 6 plus 2. And that's how we work from the middle up and then back down again. All right, now we have a look at this flow chart, this spider diagram. So we've got 22. 22 minus 12 will give us what? Will give us 10. 30 minus 12 will give us 18. 43 minus 12 will give us 31. Right, this spider diagram works a little bit differently. Instead of starting on the left and working our way to the right, we're now going to start on the right. So if we've got 29, are we going to minus the 12 or plus? Now remember, if I start on this side, on the left hand side, I say something minus 12 equals 29. So when I read it backwards, I must say 29 plus 12 will equal 42. So when I read it from left to right again, it'll say 42 minus 12 equals 29. So 24 plus 12 will equal 36. 36 minus 12 will equal 24. And lastly, 15 plus 12 will equal 27. So 27 minus 12 will equal 15. Right, so if Nandi has 36 Rand and Alicia has 50 Rand, how much more money does Alicia have? So we have to say 50 minus 36, which equals 14. So when we answer the question, we say Alicia has 14 Rand more than Nandi. If Alicia gives Nandi 5 Rand, how much does Nandi now have? So we say 36 plus 5 Rand, which will equal 41 Rand. And we answer the question, Nandi now has 41 Rand. How much does Alicia have now? So we say 50 minus 5 Rand will equal 45 Rand. Alicia now has 45 Rand is how we will answer that question. Thank you for watching, boys and girls. If you get stuck or you have any questions, don't forget to ask your teachers and we will be there to help you. Have an awesome day.